Boys, το πέρασα! Το πέρασα! Και δεν το τράβηξε! Όχι!
For a moment, all that effort seemed lost. But instead of giving up, he made a decision. He turned on the recorder, reopened the level, and started again. Not because the game demanded it, not because anyone forced him to, but because he knew that some achievements deserved to be seen. So he fought through every obstacle once more. Every click, every jump, every difficult section. He had already beaten the level once. Now he had to prove it. And with the pressure higher than ever, he pushed forward, determined to do what many thought would be impossible, beat it again.
Ωραία. Το πέρασα και δεύτερη φορά! Για να το δείτε εσείς! Το πέρασα και δεύτερη φορά.